One is 14 years old and the other one is 16 years old. Come on, baby girls, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. What is your name? I want you to be loud. Put the keys out. So come on, what is your name?
Praise.
And the Bible is praise. What's your name?
Beata.
Okay. My name is Abama Mwenzo Kubama Mani Beata because that's my daughter. She's 16 years old. Atuso fumbiro ababala bikabafango nyango omanyaba fango nitebazikisa tanaba kutuuka now ayimba naye tanatandikira ddala noono bamwita praise njagala kubawaayo seconds, just bayimbe cookies because kirungi nnyo okuwa abaana bano platform. Tujja kutandika ne muwala wange akoneko katono ate yabeera ku ssomero then bwetuma shakseno. Can you sing something? It doesn't have to be a full song. I just want to hear your voice. Okay? Okay.
But I'm always back to you. Honey, on my mind, not anything. Lady by my side each and every day. I'm going back to you. Times around us, no, you got me feeling like starting a new life. You know, talent
is talent. And I thank God that she has a talent that I haven't built as yet. I haven't built that talent as yet. But I'm proud of you. Because now I know there's something. Omanyati ya ulisema na kuona kosicho. Akalamu zipagela katere na sicho. Katika
Muwala katuagala kolabo ya champion kudo captain ya kudo.
just makes me melt. Okay? This young girl is called Praise. I'd like to introduce you Praise's father, a man who walks every night and day in different bars, okay? Trying to push a talent. And every time I sit somewhere, we went to one to the surgery. Where's the father? Please, young Tata. I am an example when it comes to Alpha in my family, of course, including Beata. But this is a man who must stand up here on stage. A little down. Just because this is the next talent. Now, here I know we've got talent in this too. And there's actually Muwala Catherine Kusasa. She's a very good voice. But I want to give thanks to this gentleman on a Tatawa praise. Toba Naitambulichimo. For the sake of music, I give you one knee. And thank you so much. When I asked them to be friends because of his character. Gentlemen, hardworking. So, Uganda, Elamanawa YouTubers, TikTokers, I ask you kindly, let us raise these two talents. Let us raise them slowly. Compressor. Fangone speed ya kendele. Tewali atuse kufundirwa. Thank you so much, my daughters, and I love you so much. Douglas.
Uncle Bebe, the story begins from here. Negaidida Bebe, Nenamba Bebe emirundi ngama 15. Nenamba Bebe, otadde sente nyingi mu bayimbi. Nino omwana gwenjagala olabe. Bebe akwata nnyonyi agenda America, agenda London, agenda wa. Paka Bebe we yangamba, Douglas, I'm going to come one time. If I get disappointed, sit down. Bebe boyaja nempita omwana ono ne daddy we. Their testimonies. Nembagamba omusajja yagambye ajja olwaleero. I told you to sing your heart out. Do you remember? Daddy, you remember? Omwana ono we yayimba. Bebe kuli yangamba, Dagi nice. You've taken me back to the days when I signed Rema Namakula. Nagamba, this girl is the future. Nagamba mulete. Omwana we yafukamira mu maaso go. I remember you wanted to cry. No mugamba, don't kneel. No mugamba, you a star. You have made so many stars, including me. I give you your flowers today.
Thank you. Thank you, Douglas. I don't want this to be done in front of my baby. But I want to tell you that my job, Jemulabye tugenda nga babagamba baveewo bagende tetusakuvaawo nga tetukoze bintu nga bino. Sijja kyo? Bano baana bamwe sijja kyo? Kale, kakati genda kuteekamuko obudakiika nga butuulirizaako akole sinza mugira naye omusawo n'omulala tebalina kye baŋŋambaawo ne bw'olaba nkolamuko bwe nti nga mpulira njagala mulabe ku musawo mulabe ne ku muwala eyo kuba bato nabo babeera busy. Let's be so sure how long they will take to be here. But now to the fans, first of all I want to thank Uganda Police and all the Baganda Bible companies on their security. Thank you so much for securing Chiwatule. Engudo zonna gye munalaga ziri safe. Teri muntu yenna agenda kukwatibwako. Naye tukyaliwo abasobola. Tuweeyo omusawo n'omuwala obudakiika. Naye bwe tulaba nga tekigira era tujja kubabuulira nti naye manyi tuyinza kubaterekanya kubanga abasajja abo baagala kutuuka wano. Naye mba nina okulaba nti abantu bange baba bakyagala okubeerawo okulinda. So, naye ng'ate byonna, it's okay. Thank you so much. I love you. Naenda za choka tukwatema atera ku ndongo. Tukwatema ku ndongo. Sata.